Hey, homeowners debating between doing a do-it-yourself roof repair and hiring a professional? Let's weigh the options. A do-it-yourself roof repair can save you money up front, but it comes with a lot of risks. And without proper training, you might miss underlying issues or cause more damage, leading to a costlier repair later. Plus, working on the roof can be dangerous if you're not experienced at it. Hiring a professional ensures that the job will get done right the first time. Plus, pros have the expertise to spot and fix problems that you might very well overlook. And they also use high quality materials along with, the proper tools and high quality tools and specialized tools to do the job. So by you letting them do the job for you, you'll get a warranty with it, and it also gives you peace of mind and saves you hassle and money in the long run. So if you're in need of expert help with a roof repair, we entice you to call us, A1 Roofing's KangaRoof. You can go to KangaRoof.com for a free consultation. And my name is Maurice, and we're here to help keep you covered and keep the elements out of your home. And thank you.